guys, welcome to Tech Gatha and welcome to the next video. Last video we saw a simple Java program. This video let's understand how the plus operator works. Can you imagine the plus operator and how it can behave differently with different types of data that you provide? Yes indeed. It is amazing to see how plus operator behaves depending on the type of values you provide to the plus operator. Now let's assume that to the plus operator you give two integer values. What do you expect as the result? If you are giving two values 2 plus 2, of course it needs to add two numbers and give you 4 as a result. Indeed. If you provide two decimal values, what it should do? It should add two decimal values to give you a decimal result. But how does it works when you are providing two characters to the plus operator? Java uses something called as Ascii code. Ascii code? What is it? Don't worry, I'll explain it. A has an Ascii code 97. B has an Ascii code 98. It adds these two values and gives you the result. Now what is Ascii code? It is a short form for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Oh, what is it? It is nothing but represents 128 characters from 0 to 127. It is used for electronic communication. Out of all the 128 values that it provides, the important ones that we do use a lot are capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, and 0 to 9. So don't forget to by heart this small table on the right hand side of the slide. Now once we understood how it works with characters, let's see how it works with string. Strings, you remember? In the last video, we saw whenever we have combination of characters, and yes, in Java or any programming language, characters is a combination of alphabets, numbers, and symbols. So when you have a string given to the plus operator, how is it going to work? It cannot add these two because they are not numbers. It cannot add the ASCII values as well. It just simply joins the two strings. So hello plus there, you get hello there. Now supposedly you want to have a space between hello and there. How do you do that? It's simple. Within the quotes, you put a space. Whether you put before there or whether you put after hello, it doesn't matter. Depending on wherever you put, it puts a space in the output. Now what happens if to the plus operator you give a string and an integer? Whoa, now what will it do? Nothing. It joins a string and an integer and it gives you hello 2. Now supposedly you give hello plus 2 plus 2. What do you expect? Hello 22. Correct. It doesn't add 2 and 2. What it does, it starts evaluating from left to right. Hello is a string followed by plus, which is again plus operator here behaves as concatenation for a string. It joins hello and 2, you get hello 2. Again joins in with the 2, you get hello 22. What if you needed hello 4? Remember maths BODMAS, brackets, they take precedence. Just put 2 plus 2 in the brackets, you get hello 4. What do you expect when you type in 2 plus 2 plus hello? It prints 4 hello. Now why 4 hello? Because 2 plus 2, it starts with 2, there is a plus, there is again a 2, two numbers, it adds and then joins in with the hello. This is how the plus operator works or behaves differently depending on the types of values you provide. Let's go ahead and implement the same in our example. Let's go ahead and modify the last code that we had created. Now let's say here will have, so supposedly I say 2 plus 2. Again here I say 2.5 plus say 5.4 for decimals. Let me have characters. Let me have strings. Let me concatenate with integers. And same here, plus 2. Here as well plus 2 but with parenthesis. And now we add 2 before the string. Let's execute and see the output. I compile the code. Okay, I forgot a plus. You compile. So if we compare, so then you can see 2 plus 2 we get 4. 2.5 plus 5.4. Again the ASCII values, remember, 195. It's concatenated. Again here, same here. Parenthesis takes a precedence, so it adds. And because we have integers first and then the string concatenation, it adds and then it prints hello. So this is how the plus operator behaves differently depending on the different types of values you provide. With this, we come to an end of this video. Next video, we will see about what are comments in Java. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.